All right, ladies and gents, I'm at Savers and I came prepared with 2 bags. Doesn't mean I'm gonna use them. On Mondays, they are discounted days, 50% off, I think, on regardless of what color they are. Yesterday, I went out to the swap meet and invested $25 in items. I'm gonna try to keep that same budget of 25 bucks and see what I can find here. I'll take it. Thank you. All right, Carla's going that way. I'm going this way. All right, I am trying to find some knickknacks, some really good stuff to sell, especially glass. Saw some nativity stuff. I think that cat's been here for a while. Still the same chipped ear. Alrighty then. There are a few things that I ended up coming across recently. Ooh, look at this. Teleflora? No thanks, but that is pretty. All right, up here. Up here. There's gonna be something special. I could feel it. Something amazing. Not that people overlook things, but sometimes people don't look for what you're looking for. Knowledge is key. Knowledge and patience. Ooh, look at this beautiful thing. Is this a oil diffuser? That is pretty. Little metal piece on top. There are bubbles in here. Looks like it's hand blown glass. I'm gonna scoop this up. That's gonna be half price. No cracks, no chips. I likes it. Oh, we got an elephant trunk up. And then we got Carlo over there. I believe that's good luck. Oh, this is some thin glass. Nice little smoky color to it. I don't want no thin glass. Let's go around where Carla's at and see what she's at. Oh, this has been here for a while too. You see those a lot. Small ones, big ones, tall ones. Usually pretty slim. You you want that? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Ooh, look at this. Look at this right here, though. Do y'all know this character's name? Baby, you know this character's name? A what? Cookie Monster?
It's a trash monster.
The trash monster? I wonder if it works. There's a switch. Is this by Disney? Oh, it is by Disney. Oh. The thing about this, batteries are dead. Batteries are dead on this, but half off, 7. So it's going to be what, $3.75, something like that? I can't do math, but it's by Disney. I'm going to go ahead and see if Google Image brings up anything. This Disney Junior animal is at Walmart for $14. People have it listed on eBay used for $14, $28, and $120. I'm going to put this back. Not for me. What? What'd you say?
It's you.
It's me? Bring that over here. Carla has jokes. So do other people. Get out of here, girl. Oh, look at this. This is cool right here. Money makes my head spin. Piggy bank. It looks like it does actually spin in here. Missing the bottom to this. That's pretty cool. Leave that there. This was here for a while. This was here like 2 weeks ago when I stepped in to get my oil change for my truck. I think this is new though. Has a little lining here, little pressing molded glass. Let's try this area. Carla's over there looking at the wall of baggies. And this looks, oh, I thought it was Raku at first. Nice polish by Ross. There's a lot of Ross stuff being donated. Little tchotchke shoes. Little Italian shoe here. This was from Formalities by Bomb Boss. How much do they want for that? I don't think I could get more than $7 for it. So I'm going to try to find something else. Nice little red glass. Made in China. Nope. Alright, it's good at times to come on the opposite side of shelves to where you're looking at to see if there's anything that you didn't see. Looks like there's some milk glass right there, that little vase, but not worth much. Up over here, nothing. Up over here, doesn't look like anything as well. Down below, no. All right, let's keep looking. The last time I was here, I ended up finding some small bottles, vintage bottles, that I got for like $1.50 and just recently sold on Niknax for around, I think, $7 and $10. So if I could find a lot more like that, that would be amazing. All right, it's been months since the last time that I've seen these that were here, and these depression plates where they at here, they do not glow in the dark, but now they've been here for so long, they're saying $6.49 for 4 of them. $11.49 for 17 of them. So folks, they're spending too much time to come back and let this stuff sit around. They should think about things like this and remember it the next time they come across stuff that they see, say on eBay, that's listed for a price but not selling for that price. That's where people really get confused. And somebody opened this one up, and I like the little blue jay in there. I like little kitschy stuff like this since it's open. And you as my witness, we're going to check this out. This is cool. I'm not going to take them all out, but I do want to see if there's any markings. Oh, it's a shaker. And the tail is broken. I did not do that. Again, you are my witness. I like little figurines and stuff, but it doesn't look like there's anything in here that's worth it for me. Any Red Bull? Somebody left me some Red Bull. Oh, there's actually some in there. Gross. I bet they'll be back for it. Shouldn't have touched it. Cooties. Ooh. Old bottles. I don't do well with old bottles, but I do like to look them up. Grosh. It's not gross, it's grosh. All right, let's try this one out. I'm gonna Google Lens this one. All right, this one's gonna be $2 for today if I was to purchase it, but I'm not. Almost everybody that has these, and there's quite a bit online throughout selling platforms, all listed at $10, meaning they're not selling for that much. What'd you get here, my love? She talks to me. She doesn't talk to y'all. K-Cup, these are really good. If you've been following my vlog channel, you'll know that I broke the last one, and I had one that I found at the bins. And they go for around, I think, $10. So for less than that price, and it being brand new, and whatever that little thing is, this is model number CVS Cog HD made in China. I don't know what that is, but who knows? Maybe it's worth reselling. We'll see. But that's for the house. You do not have to go thrifting to resell. You could go to find things that you need. Replacements, usually. Light bulbs. Furniture. It's a lot of good stuff at thrift stores. You just got to be willing to look for it and have some fun while you're doing it. Yeah, you find something else? She doesn't know. Look, folks, like I said, furniture. And if you've been following me on my daily vlogs, I've been showcasing my favorite go-to lamps. And this, unfortunately, look at this. There's a little bin. This usually can bend back. What's good about that metal? But the glass is broken. But if it was for yourself, maybe you might want it. That is a vintage lampshade. A lot of people think it's like down. This one's facing up. So that's interesting. I'm always learning about this stuff, and it makes it even more fascinating. Yeah, I'm pretty sure your brother has some out in Idaho. What is that? Oh, thought it was a bag full of marbles. Looks like I'm losing my marbles. Some things I kind of gotten away from looking for are going to be toys. I look, but I'm not really looking through them. All right. I've never seen this before, but it looks like it's in really good quality. Learned that on the inside, the name, if I was to be patient and not use Google Lens for everything, Engelbert Strauss. These shoes are listed at $90 used by someone else, and these are going to be very easy to clean. And for the price, this is worth it. There are some pants that I've sold for $60, other ones for $50. And I'm just going to see if the other one is worth getting as well, because sometimes one could be very good and the other one be damaged. So these are fairly new. I am definitely picking these up. And Carla's car is fixed from being at Costco, so we're going to be leaving soon. This right here is by Lottie Doll. One brand new, sold for $27. It is missing the top two here. Look at the screenshot available that I took the time to share with you all because I'm cool like that. Even for the price, this is nice, folks, but it's not going to sell for as much as I was wanted to. And when I buy stuff, there's nothing sneaky about what I do. I'm not going to make it seem like, oh, it's vintage and it's amazing and hype it up. I'm not about that life. I'm about just keeping it simple and easy. So giving myself a couple of minutes to see if there's anything else I could pick up. I'm pretty sure those shoes are going to sell for around $50 to $60, maybe even more. CrossFit shoes are always good, to tell you the truth. Let me see if these are worth getting. You know what? No, I don't feel like cleaning up that much. I already got one, and I don't want to be investing in projects that take up time because I got a lot of things I got to work on. Cleaning, more auctions, more things that make me money. What are these? Whenever I see something new, I just want to know what it's about. So make sure I'm up to date with as much stuff as I possibly can. Danners? Ooh, this might be a good one. Might be a good one. Good condition, steel toe or composite toe. It might be hard, not steel. That's gonna be half off. Let's see if these are worth getting. I think these are females. All right. Unfortunately, these are not gonna be worth reselling. They sell for about $14, up to 20, but I'm not gonna chance it. It's not enough. Not enough that I want to go in my pocket. It seemed like the gray ones were worth looking at compared to the ones that I just showed you. The gray, they were Danner Springfield low 3-inch women composite toe shoes. Not worth getting either way, but I wanted to tell you that. All right, today's investment here at Savers came out to $8.05. I almost forgot to check what was in the bag and share with you. Ladies and gents, lately my goal has been to find better items. That doesn't mean buy more items because I have quite a bit of stuff that I already have that I'm going to be running auctions on Niknax. And if you haven't already, give Niknax a follow and use my affiliate link. You're already supporting me anyways. Might as well jump over and use it and save it till who knows when you're ready to look into buying something for yourself or maybe even a gift for others. So the link's going to be down in the description. Whenever I have auctions coming up on Niknax, I like to put the links in the community tab. So that's a good place to start sharing information. So nothing very valuable. A little bottle with the cork stopper, brand new, still sealed. Little K-cup right here. And then the other thing that was in here, I didn't pay very much for all of this, $8 and change. It looks like these are little maybe serving trays of some sort. Carla might want to use those for something. So heavy duty saucer, 6-inch, all little brand new disc. But the money maker for this video are gonna be these shoes. They're in really good condition. There's just a little smudge here that I'm gonna wipe down and clean the bottom off. I know a lot of people that do not clean the bottom of shoes, but this is very simple. And the more I could make it look like new, because they look like new, both of them do, the more I am gonna make off of it. So it's only gonna take me about a minute or two to do this, and it is worth my time. For some people, it's not worth their time, and that's none of my business. My business is my own. So do what works for you, and if it's not working, learn how to figure out something that will work for you, that will help you meet your reselling goals, personal goals, and hopefully find a balance with it all. That's what I've been doing, as cleaning up my mess and getting organized on my vlog channel. If you haven't followed that yet, go and check it out. Thanks for watching. See you again soon with more thrifting videos.